Muc-Off. Does it work? Hey fellow YouTubers, today I went for a quick ride on our nice muddy country roads. These roads are about as bad as it gets for your bike, a nice mix of slippery mud and salt. Since we can't ride year round, I do ride every chance I get in all conditions. The way I keep my bikes looking like new is when I know I'll put them through these bad conditions, I make sure to, at a minimum, rinse them off thoroughly when I return. With cold water, because warm water actually activates whatever salt is left on the bike. Like most riders, you probably have enough products to maintain a cruise ship. You've all heard about miracle products that puts your bike to showroom condition without scrubbing. Well, if you find that product, please let me know. I've tried S100, Moto Wash, car soaps, dishwasher liquid, just about everything. What I did discover recently that does a great job at a reasonable price, if you buy it in 5-liter format, is the Muc-Off motorcycle cleaner. I was a big fan of the Moto Wash, but at almost 20 bucks a liter, it's on the expensive side. For 5 liters shipped to my door in Canada, the Muc-Off cost me about 60 bucks, almost half the price of the Moto, and I'd say they both work just as well. A nice aspect of the Muc-Off is that it's biodegradable, for those who care. So the instructions are quite simple. You start by thoroughly rinsing your bike. Obviously, if you leave an inch of mud on it, aside from battery acid, nothing will quite work its way through. Once your bike is rinsed, you simply spray the heck out of that bottle. Here I used an empty spray bottle as the 5-liter didn't come with one. You let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes and then you rinse the heck out of it. Here I'm just using a hose, and though I am getting some very good results, certain parts of the bike with matte surfaces don't quite clean as well. By using a pressure washer, you will get even better results, and if you're not lazy like me, you might even scrub the dirtiest areas before rinsing. On the wheels, even when using a brush, the paint surface is pretty rough and doesn't clean as easily as satin finish, for example. So overall, would I recommend this product? Absolutely. Works really well, and if your bike is just slightly dirty, you won't ever have to scrub it. You just spray that on, rinse it off, and you're good to go. If your bike is a bit dirtier, like I probably should have done today, you might want to scrub part of the bike or even all of it, properly rinse it, and the bike will look like new. Let me know if you like this product or if you use something else that's even cheaper and better. If you have a Triumph Scrambler 1200, you might want to subscribe, as my next video will cover some of the accessories available for the bike, tried and tested in real life conditions. Thanks for watching and ride safe.